Good afternoon. We're at 411 North Dequincy. We're going to go on the 409 side this time. This is Charles for 360 Real Estate, investing in partnership with Gear Realty. So we're probably going to see very similar things on this side. Again, the windows are going to be the original windows, but they are intact, and the majority of them with the steel storm windows. As you can see, I think there was either this is used as storage for the company that was doing rehab, or maybe these were meant to be a part of the rehab on this. So we'll check to see what the status is of the cabinetry here, if it's staying, if it's included. So this unit, flooring is in similar condition, needs some resurfacing. There's a little bit more cosmetic as well. As you can see, some of the stuff on the ceiling, a little bit more flaking, etc. on the property. Over here, we'll head back into the kitchen area. And again, similar layout. There's your original windows. Similar layout over here. So probably a gutting of this one. Got the drop ceiling on here. So definitely something we want to remove there as well. This back area here is again, an enclosed porch. It's not in the greatest of conditions. It does slope significantly, as any porch would do. So it's not an alarming thing to me. The thought for this in my head might be, because I didn't see one on the other unit either, is unless you want to have the washer and dryer down in the basement, this could be an area that you could install the washer and dryer probably pretty easily. All right, we'll head upstairs. The property was built as a 2-unit, so we're going to see very similar, if not identical, floor plans on this one. So again, this one here, we've got a little bit of extra damage on it throughout. So a lot more than just cosmetic work that you saw on the other unit. Certainly want to address to see if those are leaks. Making sure that they're not active leaks is the most important thing, as we've discussed, right? If it's already been fixed, good. If it hasn't, we want to make sure that we address it. Some settlement cracks, but really the same layout as what we've seen on the other side. This unique little feature for this bedroom that is entrance on 2 sides. This one doesn't have a doorway either. And then going back to what would be a 3rd bedroom from a converted back patio. So again, sloping, there's no closet in it. Right here is a closet area. So in this one, that's a little bit different. This is what I was thinking on the other side, was you put a door here, and then this is your closet to get to the bedroom. So again, functional wise, we're good to go on that. It's just a bit of a awkward setup. Bathroom here, similar to the other one, pretty small. We said more, not just cosmetic, probably some other structural work, construction work, etc. that we want to take a look at on this property, or on this unit of the property. Let's see what we got here. I might see if there's attic space up here. All right, I'll take a look up there on my own, see if there's any opportunity for something up here, and we'll put it in the report if there is. All right, be sure to subscribe to the page and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.